We're going to sing our ABCs. Sing our ABCs. Okay, ready guys? Let's do it. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
You're pointing at it.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Come on, Owen. P. Come on, Brett. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now, guys, let's do the last three. What are the last three? Ready? What's this one?
Angel.
Owa.
Owa.
Okay, Brett, say it again.
Owa.
Owen, say Owa.
Owa.
What'd you say, Graham?
Owa.
Good job. Okay, Brett, what's the next one? F. F. And the last one? Graham. Oh, wait, can you say You say, that's close enough. So there we have the Swedish alphabet. And the boys know it. Good job, guys. Remember, Graham knows that one, huh? Like he's pooping. You guys are silly.
I'm gonna fall. I fought in here. That was my sticker.
Hey, good job, Brett.
Lift it up.
That's Owa.
Owa.
F.